I'm going to do a little maintenance here. This is silicone. I'm going to just clean my top of the boat. I'm going to turn my boat upside down. I'm going to put a little spray on it as well. Clean the back. Give it a little spray. I'm going to open up. I'm going to open the doors up. And I'm going to open this up. Take off the cover. I'm going to spray inside. I'm going to get some on the motor. Then I'm going to wipe down. I'm going to make sure I get it on the brass and wipe that brass down. Silicone acts as like a waterproofer. This will take care of the salt in the boat. There I go. Before I do, let me explain this to you, why I spray the air. If salt water gets on this particular area and rests on the bottom, it's going to hold your propeller and the motor down. And the only way to free it up is to get the salt off. You want everything lubricated. That's me. I'm going to now lock everything back into place. And I am going to put the battery in. But before I put the battery in, the cover that is, I want to put the battery in this particular way. And I want to make sure it leans this way. And when I connect it, this is the way I want to connect it. And the reason for that is, when I'm out in the field, I'm having a very difficult time getting the battery in because I'm putting the battery in this way. And it's very difficult for the battery and the leads. Every time I try to get it in there, I find it very difficult to get it this way. Right now, I just did it real simple and indeed. So there I am. I'm going to practice getting my battery in. I am going to write this side top, this side bottom. And I'm going to get a mental note here. So there I am. Battery this way, put this line, top. So now, when I connect my battery, I want to make sure that's the top. The leads go in. Then I have the battery door 100% closed perfectly. Maybe that'll stop my water leak. I'm going to leave the door open. I'm going to leave the hole open. So this way it could air out and evaporate. The DEERC maintenance is finished.